What if you could take an existing song apart with AI and then create an entirely new song with AI? That's where LALAL AI and Suno AI become interesting. But they're not really doing the same job. So today, I'm putting them head to head to see which one is better for vocals, music creation, remixing, editing, and beginners, and which tool I'd actually choose. First, LALAL AI is an AI audio separation tool. You upload an existing song and separate it into vocals, instrumental drums, bass, guitar, piano, synth, and other stems. Suno AI takes the opposite approach. Instead of taking an existing song apart, you describe the music you want and use AI to generate a new song. So right away, the winner depends on what you're trying to create. Let's say I have a famous song and I want to make a karaoke version. With LALAL.ai, I simply upload the track, select vocal and instrumental, and let the AI process it. I can preview the separated stems and, if the result sounds good, process the full track. Now let's say I want to create a completely original song inspired by a certain mood. That's where Suno makes much more sense. I can describe the genre, mood, vocals, instruments, and structure, and the AI generates the music instead of requiring an existing recording. For stem separation, LALAL.ai clearly wins. It supports vocals, drums, bass, guitar, piano, synth, strings, and more. You can even try different neural networks to find the cleaner separation. For AI music generation, Suno wins because that's its core purpose. You can start with an idea and turn it into a complete musical track without manually producing every instrument. So I'd rate them like this. LALAL.ai has a free starter plan with 10 minutes of relaxed cue processing, previews, and a 200 megabyte upload limit. But full result downloads aren't included. Paid plans add downloads and higher limits. For Suno, the important thing is that its plans and generation limits can change, so check the current pricing before subscribing. So which one should you choose? If you're working with existing songs and need vocals or instruments separated, choose LALAL.ai. If you want to create completely new songs from an idea, choose Suno AI. My personal opinion, I wouldn't call one better than the other. I'd actually use LALAL.ai for editing and remixing existing audio, and Suno for creating new music from scratch. If you enjoyed this comparison, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI music reviews and comparisons.